Read the book, introduces Chapter 3, Adopting Basic Habits. Change can be frightening, and those who fear change most can be met with skepticism. You work for a big company. You know how scary it is to implement new policies and change the direction of the company. These new directors are usually initially met with skepticism as people wonder what direction Alcoa Aluminum CEO Paul O'Neill experienced when he took over the company in 1987. You can imagine the response O'Neill received upon delivering the news that he was no longer focused on profit and revenue. Instead, he would make workplace safety his #1 priority. Investors began to question his credibility, but O'Neill knew the importance of changing the company's habits, and he set out to do just that. I also realize that some habits are more important than others, and these habits are what Dweck considers to be basic habits. Basic habits indicate that we do not necessarily have to change everything. Instead, we can focus on 1 or 2 priorities that lead to success. These few priorities start out as small wins which then spill over to other areas and make more small wins. Setting just one priority or basic habits can start a domino effect of positive change within a company. O'Neill chose to prioritize worker safety, forcing managers and employees to think about how to make the manufacturing process safer and to decide how to communicate these safety suggestions. The result will be a productive and profitable organization. By proposing employees focus on one core habit, O'Neill realized how disrupting habits around one thing would spread positive change in the rest of the company. So how did O'Neill's changes affect the company? O'Neill's approach became a huge success. After retiring in 2000, his annual net income is 5 times greater since the company he took office. But changing basic habits can also be implemented by individuals, not just giant companies. For example, Olympic gold medal swimmer Michael Phelps has adopted visualization and calming techniques as his basic habits. He believes that his ability to visualize this success and calm his nerves is what made him stand out above the rest. Additionally, research indicates that developing key habits when trying to lose weight can become critical to adopting healthy habits. Focusing on just one habit, such as keeping a food diary, can become a small win, acting as a domino effect to cement other small wins. These small gains can lead to big, positive lifestyle changes.